Why real estate agents are broke and how to make money in real estate. I don't know if you know it, I'm not frowning upon real estate agents, but it's not one of the highest paying jobs out there. However, it has one of the highest potential opportunities. And the reason why agents are broke, because they don't see it. They walk around with blinders on. They have to be unblinded. We are all blind starting to see. And that's the key. Real estate agents, in most cases, are blind. They jump into the crab trap with 9,000 other agents. I don't know if you know how crabs act when they're in a trap, but all those crabs are trying to get to the top. And what are the other crabs doing? They keep pulling you down so you can't get out of the crab trap. And I'm not saying you're in a crab trap. I'm just giving you an example that if you want to do the same thing that every other real estate agent is doing, or what a lot of real estate agents are doing that aren't successful, you're going to get the same result. You want to focus on what the top real estate agents are doing and follow their footsteps. But the key is real estate agency is one way to earn money. Why wouldn't you want to be a real estate agent with multiple streams of income? That's why I'm here to talk to you about real estate investing. If you're a real estate agent and you aren't thinking about real estate investing, you should rethink the process unless you're making a boatload of money and you have a machine and a team. I don't want to break anything that's working. If the wheel's not broken, don't fix it. All I'm saying is that if you're a successful real estate agent and you have a team, you have another whole stream of income right in front of you. You have an army of people already in place that if you teach a new way of thinking, you now have an army going out looking for real estate investments. Each one of those agents will thank you for the viewpoint that you've given them. Some of them may even leave you and go do it themselves. That's okay. That means that you've developed that agent to step up. You have to fill that slot. That's actually a pat on your back and the reason why you want to start to think outside of the box. If you're a real estate agent, yes, check out my video, The 7 Steps to Be a Successful Real Estate Agent. Look at what I'm saying today because this is the game changer. If you are a real estate agent and you aren't making the money that you want, check out the Modern Wealth Building Formula. Check out Financial Freedom Protocol. Check out kenvanliew.com, the Modern Wealth Building Formula, how to master real estate investing, and you will succeed in real estate. Real estate agency, real estate investing, real estate syndication. There's so many things in real estate. Do not limit yourself to the possibilities. Open up your thought process, open up your horizon, open up your mind, look at your self-mastery, change your process mastery. Look at kenvanliew.com and make it a great day.